Okay, this is it's gonna be a quick video on how to remove and replace the crankshaft seal on this 3.2 Acura Legend. This is a 1991, but it's pretty much the same for pretty much any engine. So I'm just gonna use this pick right here to pull the old one out, and as you can see right there, you just got to be careful not to scratch the crankshaft. So I'm just gonna shove it right in there between the seal and the crankshaft, and then just gonna pry it out. Just being careful not to scratch the crankshaft. There you go. Now it's out. It was leaking oil, that's why I'm replacing it. And I'm doing other things, so obviously if you gotta replace that crankshaft seal, you have to undo a lot of stuff, as like the timing belt, all the pulleys, not the pulleys but the belts, alternator belt, AC belt. I removed the fans and the radiator just to give me extra room, but it might be a little different on other cars, but this is how it is in this car. This is a 3.2 liter Acura Legend. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up this area right here a little bit and then install the new one. Okay, so this is my new seal right here. There's the part number right there. Just a quick cleaning with the brake cleaner. Make sure everything's clean in there. Here are the two side by side. This is the Honda OEM seal, the brown one. You can kind of see they look the same, but the Honda one seems like it's a little thicker and it has like a lip here on the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it now. You're not supposed to use any oil. Just light it in there and use something to push it all the way in. So see the little thing I'm talking about? It came off there. All you gotta do is just put it back. you go, it looks good. Okay guys, I had to take the seal back off because I realized no way that this aftermarket seal didn't have this ring, this band, and apparently when I pulled it off, it was like tucked, it got left behind way back there and I didn't see it. So I went back and removed the seal that I had already installed and looked around, and it was sitting way back there. So stupid me, I thought that this aftermarket one didn't have one of those things. I don't know why, but if you're doing one of these, make sure that this little it's a stretchy band that goes around the seal. Make sure it comes off with the old seal. If it doesn't, look in there because it's probably got left there. It's kind of like when you do an oil change and you change the oil filter and your little rubber gasket doesn't come off. There's times that it gets stuck behind, and if you don't remove it and you go and put the new oil filter on there, you're gonna double gasket and you're gonna have a leak. I don't know if that'll be the same for this, but I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to leave it behind. So make sure that it comes off with the seal. If it doesn't, look in there before you put the new one in, like I did, and then look for it and fish it out. Okay, that was stupid of me, but I'm letting you know, showing you my mistake. That way you don't make the same mistake. Anyways guys, there it is, already done. I installed it just like I showed you earlier, with the little piece of wood just tapping all the way around until it's nice and even. Right here, it's nice and even, nice and flush. Didn't see the point in recording it again, since I already did earlier. Is the same thing. Also, another thing I said earlier, don't add any oil to it, but you are supposed to put oil on the inside here, not on the outside, but on the inside where the crankshaft is going to be spinning. Apply a little bit of oil in there so it slides in smoothly. And I just looked at my repair manual right here. It says right there, should be dry. Apply light coat of oil to the crankshaft and to the lip of the oil seal. So my mistake.